Automatic fire damper frame roll forming machine production processes are decoiling, material guiding, leveling, edges punching, spindle hole punching, temperature sensing hole punching, hydraulic cutting off, conveying, TDF roll forming, hydraulic automatic bending, manual discharging. Fire damper frame roll forming machine main features. First, fast speed. Save labor. It can produce 300 to 400 frames per 8 hours per shift by only 1 to 2 people. Second, high precision. Hole distance error plus or minus 0.3 m, length error plus or minus 0.3 m, diagonal error plus or minus 1 mm. Third, save material. The process design of cutting first and then forming ensures the whole process from debugging to production without waste. Fourth, high efficiency. Continuous order mode. Customers can input multiple order data at one time for continuous production. Fifth, good forming effect. Specially designed rollers to ensure less abrasion to zinc layer after galvanized sheet is formed. Sixth, small bending R. Specially designed bending tool, as well as pre-punching indentation at the small edge, two processes to ensure that the bending angle is small. Seventh, good stability. Electrical components adopt international and domestic top brands, the main mechanical parts through careful design and fatigue test, to ensure the stable production of production line in high intensity and high load working environment. Simple operation. The whole line is automatic, assembly line production, computer controlled and easy to learn. Ninth, cover a small area.